Welcome to another exciting edition with Winnie Honor. So today we are still on estimation of whole numbers. Now for this question we are told to round off to whole numbers. For question 1, we are told to round off 4.42 to whole numbers. Remember, whole number, when we say whole number, we don't need this 0.42. We don't need these numbers after the points. We don't need these numbers on the right point. We just need this number 4. But to eliminate this 4 too, we have to find out if they are on the negative part of the number line or on the positive side. So our number line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We are told from 1 to 4 is negative. From 5 to 9 is positive. So to eliminate these numbers, we have to find out if they are on the negative side or on the positive side. So this is 2. Now to our number line. Is 2 negative or positive? Of course, 2 is negative. That means we can write down 0 but cannot take 1 up because 2 is negative. Now let's look at 4. Going back to number line, is 4 negative or positive? 4 is negative. That means we can write down 0 but cannot take 1 up. Why can't we do that? Because 4 is negative. Then this point, you put it. This 4, we're not going to change this identity of this 4 by writing 5 or 6. No, it doesn't change because this 4, this other 4 here, did not take 1. There's no 1 that was given to this number 4 here, so it remains 4. So 4.0 is same as 4. 4 to the whole number. This is our answer. 4 is now written as the whole number. We don't need the 0.00, so we just went with the 4. Now for question 2, we have 32.25. We have to change this 32.25 to whole number. Remember, whole numbers, we don't need a number after this point on the right, on the number on the right hand side. We don't need it because there's a point here. We just need these two numbers. These ones on the right hand side after the point, we don't need them, so we have to eliminate them. And to eliminate them, we have to find out if they belong to the negative side of the number line or the positive side of the number line. Now this is 5. Coming to the number line, is 5 positive or negative? 5 is positive. That means we can write that 0 and take 1 up because 5 is positive. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is 3 negative or positive? 3 is negative. That means we can write down 0 but cannot take 1 up because 3 is negative. So our point, to fix the point here, these 2, bring it down. We are not changing this 2 because there was no 1 given to 2. 2, bring it down. 3, bring it down. So we have 32.00, which is the nearest whole number is 32. This is our answer. Remember, whole number doesn't need the point. Whole number doesn't need the point. So our answer here is 32. Now for question C, 4.37, we are told to round off to whole number. Remember, in whole number, we don't need the points and we don't need the numbers after the points. So we are eliminating 3, 7. To eliminate them, we have to find out if they are negative or positive. Now this is 7. 7 on the number line is positive. That means we can write down 0 and carry 1 because 7 is positive. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. Is 4 negative or positive? 4 is negative. So we can write down 0 but cannot take 1 up because 4 is negative. Now because we cannot take 1 up, that means this number remains the same. So don't forget to put your point first, then write down this 4. This 4 doesn't change because it wasn't given 1 up here. So as a whole number, our answer is just 4. Now the last question, we have 12.9 to whole number. Remember, as we are trying to convert to whole number, we don't need this number after the points. We don't need this 9. So we are eliminating 9. So 9 on the number line, is 9 negative or positive? Looking at the number line, 9 is positive. So write down 0. Because it is positive, you write down 0, carry 1. Don't forget to put the point here. Now 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus nothing is 1. So here we have 13.0. But being that we're trying to convert it to whole number, we don't need the points. So just write down 13. This is our final answer.